Looking for a reliable plumber in the Centreville and Clifton area? Look no further than Centreville Plumbing Pros. Whether it's an emergency leak or a pesky clogged drain disrupting your daily routine, we've got you covered. Our team excels in water heater repair, bathroom plumbing, and all essential plumbing fixes. Need professional drain cleaning or shower and toilet repairs? We handle it with precision and care. Don't let plumbing problems stress you out. Call Centreville Plumbing Pros today. With us, plumbing becomes simple and stress-free.